No matter how your garden looks or how you use it, Husqvarna Automower is ready to take on the job. With no effort from you, our robotic mowers cut your grass to perfection. 2 million of them are already out there, taking care of everything from small urban gardens to the largest and most challenging areas. The boundary wire defines the working area of Automower. It helps the mower reach all areas and to manage passages. Inside the boundary wire, there is also one or more guide wires. The guide wire helps the mower to find the shortest way back to the charging station and prevents track marks from appearing on your lawn by alternating routes. The guide wire and the technology inside the mower help Automower pass through narrow passages and to reach remote work areas. The clippings are so small that they are never spread where you don't want them. Thanks to the nutrition from the clippings, your lawn becomes healthier the longer your Automower is out there working. You don't have to do any raking or collecting. When your Automower is running out of battery, it will automatically return to the station to recharge. Automower has the lowest noise levels of all robotic mowers on the market. This means you can safely leave it working at any hour of the day. It works in rain and sunshine, all according to your settings. We have never stopped adding new features or updating the technology. Our all-wheel drive model that handles slopes up to 70% is one of the latest innovations. Today, we are more certain than ever there is a robotic mower for every lawn. It's a claim that we love to prove as much as you love your lawn.